What are you guys asking on the shoes over there?
It depends. I'll be right with you.
Okay, cool. Morning.
I'll tell you about it when I get there. I'll tell you when I get there.
You don't happen to have the cords to this, do
We
you?
lost it.
Lost? It happens.
Yeah.
Understandable. Do you know what number you were looking for on this?
On that one, let me ask my husband. I'll be right back.
Okay.
I think you could go to GameStop, right, and get handles for it?
Yeah, I mean, you can go, yeah, you can eventually find them or whatever, get kind of like third-party cords and stuff. $5? Okay.
Are these collars right here? They're like old.
The collectible, yeah.
Old.
The collectible Clemson title, yeah. Collectible.
I just want to put them up so I can see them.
Will you do 7 for that?
Yeah.
All that? You guys don't happen to know if there's like any more games or anything like that?
No.
That's
no.
just what you have out
Lost
here?
it all out, yeah.
Gotcha.
Accidentally, like, oh my God,
Oh,
now
no.
I need them. Yeah, thank you.
All right, thank you. Hello. What do you have on your glove here?
$5.
5? Can you do 3?
Sure.
Is that fun? I feel like it's...
Or I'll do 5 and you take the little one too. I don't want to pack up anymore. There's a small one and a ball.
I don't think I need the little one.
Okay.
I'm just best with that one. Sorry.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. What are you guys asking on the shoes over there?
It depends. I'll be right with you.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
So Vans, I don't know if you want the boxes or not.
You can have boxes.
Okay.
Yeah, they all vary just depending on what they are. So these are 10.
Okay. And then there's 2 pairs of gray.
These are
right?
2 and these are 2.
Okay.
So 14.
And then
You
what?
want them? Thinking about it?
what were you asking on these 2 then as well?
$1 and $2.
Okay, so we're at 6, 7. Okay.
What
You
was
just
that?
do. You just do 15 then?
For all of it?
Yeah.
Well, because these were 10. These are like brand new.
Okay.
10.
So you want to stick with 10 on that?
Yeah, I do. 10,
It
11,
was
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Oh, wait. This is 7.
No, you're good. There were 2 pairs of shoes in here, right?
Yeah, so 2, 4.
each.
I can't do math right
We're
now.
at 14, 15, 16, 17.
Okay. Can you break a 20? Is that cool?
There you are,
Sweet.
sir.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You as well. Is it just
Yeah, show on one arm.
Inside and in the garage.
It-
Just in here, that's already sold over there.
this
That's
area?
sold, yeah.
Okay.
In here and in the house.
Oh, the house too?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, it's this. It's make like a circle.
Sounds good. You want me to get that door for
Oh,
you?
thank you.
Yeah.
It's in here, in there, in this first bedroom.
Okay.
And then the cabinet is open. These things are for sale.
Okay. So you said everything, kitchen area,
Yes.
living room,
Yeah.
and first bedroom?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Be careful with that painting back there too. I don't know if they started in the hallway. I don't think they started in
Okay.
here, in that room, in this first bedroom.
Okay.
And then
Thanks.
the cabinets is open.
All right.
And everything just make a reasonable offer. Everything looks good.
Sound good.
You can plug in. You can plug in.
Okay.
Make sure it works. Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
You don't know if all this stuff it's been probably too long for, if you knew like the last time this worked or something like that.
No, but you can test it.
Yeah, I'll
Yeah.
power it on. All right, appreciate it.
Uh-huh. I don't know if that light switch gotta be on.
I can, oh, here's something. Yeah. Let's grab one. These VHS players are always
Yeah.
a mystery. That ain't working.
Reasonable offer, that's it. Look around. So in this first bedroom right here, they haven't started going in the hallway yet. This first bedroom right here. Okay. And even this box of wallpaper. Right there. Everything. Everything. Even this right here. No, that one, that's not, no. I'm making sure. You gotta just take it off. It's a reasonable offer. If anything that you plug it in and make sure it works. The vacuum cleaner, if I want to curve it, real cheap. It'll make it. That's how I gotta put it in the dust. Try to take somewhere for it to get it work.
Yeah.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Like drifting and reselling?
Yeah, garage sales.
Gotcha.
Yeah, same concept of like Cincinnati Pickin and all them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You watch Harry Tornado?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love him.
Yeah. Yeah.
You don't need to dig through all that. You can just take it off. Just take it off.
I'm just seeing what I'm in for
Take it
on
off.
that. Honestly, I'm gonna start a pile outside here.
Sir. Yeah. Yeah, just please. So this is gonna be the best show until you ever say make an offer. You just don't believe it. So, oh, everybody need to come over there. I'm serious.
They'd be like, you got all that for that?
Yes. Did the VCR work?
It did not actually. It would not. It wouldn't take tapes. So
Oh, okay. Well,
forgot to let you know if someone is interested in that.
oh no. But anybody,
What?
you need tapes?
Yeah, I see. I'm all right. I've seen all those.
Put all these tapes. There you go. Bring me up. Okay, I'm gonna get VCR. I'm gonna just send you for parts only.
Just get with them anybody. We cleaned a lot out today.
Some weight.
Yes,
Excuse me.
You know those two tapes you can get all of them for the same price.
yeah. Take all of them.
Take
yeah.
all of them for the same that
I-
offer you gonna get.
I don't know where I would put those. That's a problem.
Let me see, PayPal. PayPal, I have, like, a savings in PayPal, but I don't know how to get one.
Yeah, and on Venmo, they just send it to me, to my phone number.
Today's a day of records. Oh yeah. Hey. Let's.
Oh yeah, we got vacuum, see the vacuum cleaner? Oh yeah.
I think I'm ready to settle up with you over
Okay.
here. I don't know if you had a number you were maybe
Nope.
thinking on all this.
Reasonable offer.
We do 30?
Yes.
That'll work.
No, thank you. We'll be here tomorrow if you want to come back.
Okay, we'll do. Thank
Make
you.
sure you spread the word. Make an offer yard sale.
We'll do. Appreciate it.
I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much.
Yep. What is up? So that was a crazy day, crazy ending to the day with those few sales right there. Paid $57 and the total is right here. Would have been a whole lot more with that last sale if some of those items actually were working and in good condition. Probably would have been over a total of 500 probably for a valuable listing number. Running through the sales real quick, that first sale, I'm in the process of moving out of this place. So I'm not trying to have incoming items and wait around. I just don't have the time. I got to get things in and out as fast as possible because I need to put every single piece of my inventory, all the items in my car and be able to move it across the entire country. So as far as that Vans hat, same reason, I just don't have the time to clean things up, kind of take the time that I normally would, test things out. I mean, obviously if it needs testing in order to sell, I will do that, but like the Super Nintendo console, I just marked untested. Was in pretty decent condition, cleaned it up obviously a little bit, but I'm doing minimal work in order to put the work in to pack up and get out of here. Also, I've never heard of Zio Ziegler. It was like a limited production run through Vans. It's called Off the Wall Gallery. If you look that up, Zio Ziegler, you'll see all kinds of crazy listings for like $300. It was kind of a nice little interesting score. Obviously, unfortunately, it's probably a slow seller, but hopefully that gets off my hands. So definitely look out for any crazy art print type of Vans shoes if you ever come across them. Also, that last sale with that like house clear out, that was the last sale on my entire list. I wish I actually would have gone there first. It was like noon and I was on limited time and I was just kind of trying to pick and choose. And I was just kind of beat and run down from the day, so I was just kind of out of it on that sale. But as far as that Corningware coffee, I think it was like a 9-cup pot, I actually was able to sell that, and then eBay actually said they're taking the listing down due to a recall for those. So that's why there wasn't a picture on the screenshot, but thankfully I was able to get that off my hands. And I had no clue there was such a recall for those pots. So if you do see those, make sure you sell them pretty cheap to get them off your hands, otherwise they will be taken down. But coffee pots, vintage coffee pots like that do pretty well. You just gotta pack them, pat them, and be able to ship them properly without them breaking. And also, unfortunately, with that sale, I didn't do my due diligence of testing items. I did test a lot of items, but I just didn't maybe necessarily test specific pieces like that little jukebox. I think I got distracted when I had that or something, or just forgot to test it. I don't know. You know, when you're in the moment, things happen. So yes, a lot of that got donated and either trashed out, whatever the case be. I would have loved to have gone there first, like I said, and just kind of really had my head on my shoulders and tacked it pretty well. But anyways, thanks for watching the video. If you've gotten this far, stay tuned for the next video. I think the sales will be very similar to the video of this type. And hope everyone's just having a fun ending to this crazy roller coaster ride of a year. Thanks for watching. Bye.